Welcome to another episode of Just Listed by Zed. Today we are at 86 Heather Grove in CLYDE North. Before we take a look inside the property, let's have a quick chat. Today we've got 5 bedrooms plus a study, 2 living areas, 2 bathrooms with double garage sitting on 634 square meters. Talk about quantity, now let's talk about quality. Let's take a look.
We mentioned the word quality, and it's evident that we have that in this room. From the featured fireplace, to the high ceilings, to the open plan living, and this is just the first living room that you actually see when you walk in. Now, let Hero show you the second living area.
Talk about wow factors, the beautiful chandeliers, box out features and the beautiful wallpapers. This open plan living is humongous. I love the way this open plan living leads all the way to the entertainment area at the back. And not to mention the beautiful kitchen.
And what a kitchen it is. Not only is it great because you can sit here while you're cooking, you can watch the kids, you could also be part of the whole family entertainment area, and you've got an amazing butler's kitchen where you can tuck everything away so everything's all out of sight, out of mind. This is an amazing kitchen.
Claudia, we talked about the quality and the quantity of this property, but what we didn't talk about was the low maintenance backyard and the landscaping of the property.
You're completely right, completely forgot about that.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Guys, please make sure to come to our next open for inspection to actually look at the quality of this home, and please stay tuned for next week's episode of Just Listed by Zed. Bye bye for now.